Hello, this is Will from journalwallstreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to just do some trade ideas. Haven't done this in a while, so just wanted to go over some charts and just just talk out my ideas. So first of all, here is WSM Williams Sonoma. I'm kind of liking a potential short here. Um, it's tested this resistance level 3 times already, and if market rolls over, then maybe a short below 56 with a potential target of maybe around 53, 50, 52.75, give or take, with a stop above the highs 54, 57, 50. So let's do the math. Um, 5750 minus 56 is 1.25. So 56 minus 52.75 is 3.25. Divide that by that, and you have 2 point something RVR. So it's not the best risk versus reward, but it's something that I was looking at. FFIV, kind of a very interesting pattern. It's below this kind of oh, actually, yeah, it makes it a lot more interesting now that I'm looking at it at the weekly chart too. So we're in what's this multi-year low territory, and it's making a nice bear flag right there. It had a bear flag earlier, something like that, and measure move for that, it still has room to fall. But if this is indeed another bear flag, then we're looking at kind of a move like this. So we have a bear flag into a declining moving average, which is also at a multi-year low level. So this is a very compelling short idea. So this is something that's definitely on the radar. I might even have to get some now as a feeler. So the stop would have to be above this area, maybe even close to the 21. But we're talking about a what's this, a $4 stop for a potential of 10 points, give or take. So definitely something on my radar, and might be something I'm willing to take at this point. Next trade is in ACAM. Kind of like that it has such a huge gap to fill. So I'm thinking if it can kind of break below that swing low area, then we might see a gap fill down to here. It's using the 21 EMA as resistance now after the diversions, so it might be a compelling short. The RVR to this initial move is okay, not great, about what, let's just say 250. Risk a point for 250, 2.5, not great, but if we can fill this gap, if it follow through and fills this gap, then the RVR would be significantly better. Next thing I'm looking at is TCK. Here's a weekly chart. Kind of has nowhere to go except for maybe down here to 15. So if we're looking at this daily chart and we see sort of a pullback into declining EMAs and a break below this 2020 level, with a stop above 22. So we're looking at like what, a $2 risk for potential for $5. So that's again pretty decent. So definitely something on my radar. GGB, not to be mistaken with GGP, but another stock that's on its 52-week load. Actually, yeah, yeah, definitely a stock on its way down, but is using the 21 EMA as resistance. This might be a nice holy grail short. I think I calculated that the risk was about 20 cents for a potential 60-cent reward. So that's 3 to 1, so that's pretty good RVR. Another trade I was looking at is MCO. Also pretty much a holy grail short. Short the EMAs cover above this previous high with this target, and with another potential for gap fill to this level. So that might be a decent idea. JKS, I know I talked about this before. Before it looked kind of like this, then it broke through but came right back up and is retesting the neckline. This to me was a let's see, a week. Here it looks better on a weekly chart, but a weekly inverted head and shoulders. A little bit of a adjustment here, but above these levels should be a pretty compelling long setup. It pulled back sharply today, but it doesn't change the fact that I still like it. And GMCR I talked about in my day trade reviews, but basically I'm looking for a gap fill from these earnings gap level, and I'll be looking to short below these swing low areas. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm not sure how many of those trades I'll actually be able to take, but I'm going to have a plan for each and every one of those. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys again soon.